Alright, so I got this truck and it's missing the piece on the top of the tailgate, the spoiler or tailgate trim or whatever you want to call it, and it kind of looks bad. So ordered this on Amazon. Let's see if it helps. Look how nice it's gonna look. Nice. And I guess I ought to try and knock what's left of this old one off with one of these scrapers here. That's the old tape. If you want to start on that end, I'll start on this end and start working your way. Alright, I guess we'll do this extra proper and try and clean up the rest of the residue with one of these, see what works. Start with the alcohol. That works pretty damn good, actually. Yeah, I don't even need to try the other two. Alcohol works good. Alright, I guess we'll just see how this fits on there. It's got this double-sided tape that I'll pull off here in a second. Actually, the cap's the same on both sides. Looks good. If y'all can see, just peel off this double-sided tape, maybe. I'm just gonna kind of stick it as I go here. Nice warm day for February. Should have peeled this one first. Now I've done it. All right, y'all. Well, that looks a lot better. I figured that was worth grabbing. Pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll leave a link.